Thanks for joining us as this week we travel Cornwall visiting Padstow and compare a luxe winter campsite holiday pitch to a pub camp up where we brave 80-mile-an-hour gale force winds in our van.
My beard's been blow dried. Properly blown. I've just realised my beanie matches my beard. Oh dear. There's oh, it stinks of manure. That's proper fresh. And there's no getting away from it because I bet Gizzy's nose is twitching. There must be a field behind us that is like just manure or a cow farm or something. It is proper ripe. Woo. Oh, lovely campsite though. Gents. Ooh, huge. Spotlessly clean. Spot the problem. Bottom right hand corner. There's nothing to sit on. No chair. And no shelf for putting your necessaries on. Plenty of hooks though. Problem solved. Let's have a look. Blimey. Look at all of that. Whew. We go wide. So this is the laundry room. Just come to tumble dry our towels. So we've got the tumble dryers, got the towels in the tumble dryer, got 2 freezers for freezing ice blocks, and the sign says you can leave your own stuff in as long as you put your name on it. So yeah, all included in the price of an overnight stay or a week-long stay. Plenty of tourist information, camel trail, a couple of magazines. I'll grab a couple of those before we leave. There we go. Nice and tidy. Holy moly, that's a vegetarian smorgasbord. Okay. We've got this ready for when you come back. Oh, there you go. Oh, you blinded me. Oh, it looks dark out there. Ooh, shut that door, you're letting the cold air in. Jeez.
Andy.
Yep.
Put this mat down.
Yep.
Thank you.
See you in a minute.
Ew, what's that smell? Smells like poo. Where's that coming from? Oh, that field over there. Poo. Guys, I'm being serious. It really does stink. Oh, it really doesn't taste good either. Can we just leave? You said we were going to Padstow.
warnings issued. Oh, looks like till 8. Yeah, gales are severe.
So we arrived at our pub camp up on one of the windiest days at the end of the year. But we like to fly by the seat of our pants. And at least the view from the park up isn't too bad.
Can you hear that wind? We are at, where are we at?
I don't know how you pronounce it.
We are at
Delabole?
Delabole.
Delabole.
Delabole. We are at Delabole. And we're pub camping at the Bettle and Chisel. It is blowing an absolute stinker. Susie's freezing cold. We just put the diesel heater on, so
Yeah.
that would change.
But it's supposed to last till midnight. There's like really strong gales. I mean, enough to knock you off your feet. Let's just say that.
It's proper strong out there.
Yeah.
It's like the van's shaking and we're in the most sheltered part of the car park, so I'm sure it'd be lovely in the summer.
Do you know, honestly, when you were parked sideways, you know, next to the caravans and stuff, that was more bouncing than this.
Yeah.
This is actually a lot better.
Well, we're facing into the wind.
Facing into the wind, yeah.
Yeah. So we're actually facing that way. Smile. I say smile, but my my beard's been blow dried. Properly blown. I've just realised my beanie matches my beard. You didn't tell me that, Susie.
What?
Maybe I should have had your one with the purple stripes, but I just realised that
It's not
my
really.
beanie matches my beard.
Not really.
Fades into it. It's actually the same as my my hair. Right. Well, we're here anyway. So we're going to go in. Pub opens at 4. We're here early. We're going to go in, have something to eat, do a little review video, make it part of the rest of our video, do some shorts.
Yeah.
Hopefully they've got some nice bourbon in store and behind the bar. So we're in the car park at Bettle and Chisel in Delabole in North Cornwall, and we parked right at the top, facing into the wind because it is absolutely chucking down. Hooly! The wind is blowing like crazy, and the poor guy from the pub had to walk all the way to the top of the car park where we parked
Phil.
facing into the wind. Guy's name's Phil. Sorry, Phil. We made him walk all the way to the top of the car park. He come up to tell us that we couldn't park there because that's where they stored the gas canisters. And you would have thought, being an ex-firefighter, that I would have known and spotted that, but no, I parked right next to them. So we've moved and we're now closer to the pub but still facing into the wind. In the spot where we were originally going to park, but it was like really muddy and quagmiry in the corner. But where we've parked facing into the wind, it's not so bad. We make him do.
in this weather.
And he's wearing shorts as well.
Oh, he's wearing shorts as well. Typical Cornish man.
Yeah, bless him. I felt really bad. He was just like, why'd you make me come over and tell you this? But he's
Well,
not.
we'll make it up to him because we're going in for a meal.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
there we go. Oh, hello. You didn't mind moving, did you?
No, she was brilliant.
Cheers. Yeah, you can leave that here. Happy with that?
I cannot stop jiggling. The wind is like
It's the wind.
ferocious.
It's the wind. Time to check out the facilities. One of the warmest and most powerful showers I've ever had at a pub camp up. Well done, guys. Fantastic effort by the Bettle and Chisel.
I'm truly shocked. It's better than any kind of like roadside toilet. It really is. It's awesome. It's clean. It's really decent.
Shocked, didn't you?
Yeah,
Were you expecting like a shed?
pretty much. Yep. But that's really it's very discreet as well.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's put a lot of thought into attracting a different type of clientele other than just the local village people. No offence to the local village people.
No, but there's only, they come for the pub, not
Yeah.
to he's got rooms to let too, doesn't he?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So but yeah, it's great.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really good.
Well, this video is just to show how boring it would have been just watching me cutting bread. Because I forgot to press record. Well, we got lucky, didn't we? Yeah, 3 hours 56 minutes without stops. And that's on the motorway.
Now just remember it's narrow.
I know.
We need to roll down my window so you can see out.
It's narrow. Now, if I had to choose a winner between a Lux campsite and a pub camp up, this one at the Bettle and Chisel in Delabole, I think is a worthy competitor. Fantastic facilities, really reasonably priced food. Couldn't do anything about the weather, but we'll definitely be back in the summer. Fabulous. And just to add, guys, if you found our video at least a little bit interesting or a tiny bit helpful, please give us a like and subscribe and help us trigger that YouTube algorithm. Cheers.
No backward glances or second chances, I've nowhere left to go. If this town had bridges, I'd have burned them all long ago. Lord, send me a